Welcome to the assembly guide for the Boston Coffee Table, a part of Garden Patio Decor by NewTek Wood. To begin, lay out all the parts and hardware included in your packaging. Let's start by assembling the table legs. Position the 4 leg components, B, and align them on all 4 corners of the tabletop component, A. Secure each leg using 2 S1 screws and your T1 hex key tool. Next, we'll reinforce each of the B leg components with an S2 screw using the T1 hex key tool. Finally, attach the 2 leg support components, C, between the leg components on each end of the table. Secure them by using your hex key and 2 S2 screws on each leg. That's it! Your Boston outdoor coffee table is now fully assembled. Thanks for choosing Garden Patio Decor by NewTek Wood.